Well, I'm filming some more because I just saw some more crazy things flying through the air. The majority of the people seem to be out. Oh, I don't know. Let's see. I can get it. Seems to be somebody out there on the deck. This car, there's people kneeling all around. Still not raining. Oh no, it is. There is rain. But oh goodness, I've never seen anything like this. Oh, here comes the wind again. First, there's someone down on the deck. Not her. Yeah. I'm hearing an ambulance. Hopefully they're coming for this person. Oh, I don't know if you can see some chairs still scooting around. Oh, there goes a boogie board. Right. Well, I'm glad the kid yelling for his mom got his mom. Ooh, I'm going to close the door. The rain's coming hard. Oh, they picked her up. They're carrying her in their arms. It's a lady. They're carrying her in her arms. It's raining hard now. All right, into my news report.